Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here with an Amazon favorites video. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I literally have an obsession with Amazon and I love watching these videos. I think they're so cool and interesting. I love finding new things. So yes, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Amazon favorites. I have a lot of hidden gems I think are absolutely amazing. So yes, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see my Amazon favorites, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so by the way, if you guys do like this look, I will have it listed down below for you guys. It's a Valentine's Day makeup look. I just filmed it. I don't think I'm going to put it up just yet, but it will be up very shortly, a little bit before Valentine's Day. So if you guys do like this look, it will be up shortly. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so if you guys know Cartier, they're a super expensive jewelry brand. They have amazing jewelry. They have ranging from rings to necklaces, a bunch of different things, but I've been really obsessed with their love rings. And I don't know, they're just really cute, but they're so expensive. I believe one is like $3,000. It's ridiculous. So I found a dupe on Amazon, literally looked the exact same for only $13. Again, everything I'm talking about will be down below for you guys. This is what they look like right here. I've been wearing these all the time. I got a size 7, but I did just order a size 8. I like to wear them together, but when you wear them together, they are a little bit tighter. So I did get a size 8 just so I can wear one of them together with the bigger size. But I love these. They look just like the Cartier love rings. They even say Cartier inside of the band. And these will not make your finger green. I washed my hands with them a bunch of times. My hand did not go green. And I just been really obsessed with these. It's such an amazing dupe. And why not? I don't really care if it's not the real brand. If it looks just like it, I mean, why not? And again, it's only $13 compared to $1,000 to $3,000. So this is such a gem. As you guys see, I have it on right now. I love them. And yeah, they're just amazing. That's such a great gem. So I'll leave it down below for you guys if you are interested. Okay, so the next thing is an Apple Watch band. I bought a few from Amazon and I really, really love them. I definitely reach for them on Amazon more so than going to the Apple store because the Apple store just has sporty ones. I like ones I can accessorize with. As you guys see, I wear this one all the time right here. This one is from Amazon. It looks like an actual watch band, which I really like. I got mine in silver. This was super inexpensive. I believe it was $15, $20, but I use it all the time. I really love it. It accessorizes your outfits without looking too sporty because I hate when I'm wearing a fancy, cute outfit. Example, this shirt right here, and if I have one of the Apple Watch sport bands, it just doesn't flow right. So I really love accessorizing with different Apple Watch bands. Another Apple Watch band that I really love is the dupe for a Louis Vuitton band right here. It's the checkered one. Again, it looks like Louis Vuitton, but again, it's not, and it's super, super affordable. I really love using it. It matches my Louis bag, which is perfect. So these are just super cute to accessorize with. Again, of course, it's not the real thing, but I mean, who cares? It's just so cute. And again, I believe this was $10 to $15. Again, I'll leave everything down below for you guys, but I love these two watch bands. So yes, I really love Amazon watch bands. They have really great ones. You could probably look up any brand that you guys like Chanel or any brand like that, and I bet you it would come up with a bunch of different watch bands, but I love Louis, so this one's great. And this one's more right here of a clip one. It just clips. This is a little bit more comfortable. This one's more of one that you have to put together a bracelet and buckle, but they're both really cute and I really like them. Okay, so the next item are a pair of flip-flops. These are them right here. They are so, so cute. They have little bows and then they have studs. They also have these in tan, which I really want to get my hands on, but I have a black pair, and in the summer I wear these all the time with dresses, with jeans. It looks so, so cute. They are a little bit uncomfortable because again, they are kind of a plastic silicone material, so they're not super comfortable. It does hurt a little bit in between my toes, so I wouldn't recommend these if you're walking super far, if you're walking a lot. These are just great to kind of carry in your beach bag if you're going to the beach or something like that. I love them. They're super cute and they really accessorize any outfit. I got mine in the size 8, which they fit perfect for me. So if you're my size, an 8 is really nice. And yeah, these are just so cute. I really like them. Again, they have them in tan as well. Okay, so the next thing are a pair of headbands. This is it right here. They're just pearl suede headbands, and I love them so much. They're really, really cute. They, again, accessorize any outfit, which I love. I could be wearing a pair of ripped jeans, a t-shirt, and put this in my hair, and it just looks so cute, you really tried. And this one is in dark blue, and this one is in an off-white. They came in a pair. I believe it was $9. Very inexpensive, But I believe they have another pair that you could pick from like a different color, like a purple one and a nude one. But I went ahead and picked these two, but they're just so cute. I really love these. Again, just pop in my hair real quick, go off, and it looked like I actually tried. So these are really, really cute. Okay, so the next thing is a dress, which I love. This right here is a camo dress, and as you guys see, I tie mine at the bottom because it's a little bit wide, so I like to tie it to make it a little bit tighter, but once you tie it at the bottom, it's so, so cute. I'll insert a picture right here for you guys, but I love this. I got mine in an extra small. I definitely could have went into a small just because when I do tie it, it gets a little bit short. Extra small fits perfectly, but because I like to tie it, I should have went with the small because, again, when you tie it, it does get a lot shorter. So if you do plan on tying it, I do recommend a bigger size, but it's perfect. It's so comfortable. I wore this, no joke, probably every day in the summer with the flip-flops. It looks so cute with them. And yeah, this is just super comfortable, super casual, really inexpensive. I believe it was like $14. But I really like it. Again, mine is in an extra small. Okay, so I have two more things for you guys. This right here, first of all, I've been obsessed with leopard. Anything leopard, I've like been obsessed with. So I found this and I was like, I need it. So this right here is a leopard cardigan, and oh my gosh, it's just so cute. They have it in a bunch of other colors. They have it in a gray, an off-white, but I got more of like the light tan shade. Oh my gosh, I love this. I just put a pair of leggings on, plop this on, and I'm good to go. Especially with the flip-flops, it looks super cute. But I really love this. It's super long, which is great. I hate wearing leggings in my butt shoes. I hate it. So I really love how this covers it, which is great. It's super comfortable. I got mine in a small. I definitely could have probably went with an extra small. It is a little bit big, but I kind of like it like that because it's more comfortable that way. But again, I definitely could have went into an extra small, but the small fits really good and it's super, super comfortable. And again, it's really long, which is nice. I believe this was, I think this was more on the pricier side, maybe like $30. I'm not sure, but again, I'll leave everything down below for you guys, but this one is my absolute favorite. Okay, so last thing I have right here is such a gem that I found. So you guys probably heard of Airpods, of course, but they're super expensive and I don't want to waste my money on them. And I just want something that was like affordable but similar because I hate the wire. It just, when I'm tanning or when I'm out on the beach, I hate that. I feel like it's going to give me a tan line. So I found these right here. These are dupes for Airpods, and it even came with a little like AirPod case. Perfect. These are a little bit bigger than the AirPods, so they do kind of like come out of your ear a little bit. It's kind of hard to stay in there, but they're amazing. I highly recommend these. I use these all the time. They're Bluetooth. They connect right to your phone, and it's absolutely perfect. It comes with a little charging outlet. You just charge them, and you're good to go. You just plop them right in your ear, and I love these. These are great dupes for AirPods, and they're super, super affordable. I believe these were like $20, maybe even a little bit less, but such a steal. Okay guys, so that is it for my Amazon favorites. I'm sure I'm going to find something around my house that I bought that I forgot to tell you guys about. But I love Amazon. These are just my favorite things. Let me know down below what's your favorite thing on Amazon. What should I get? What's your favorite thing? But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, everything will be down below for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.